Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Fun Art by Linda, and I'm Linda, and I am doing a bloom with my blow dryer again. I have been trying to use it a little bit more to help with the blowout of the cell activator. So I'm going to add some music to the video so you guys can listen and sit back and relax and see how this gets created, and I'll check back with you at the end. Hey everybody, I am back. I hope you guys have been enjoying watching this video. I hope you sat back and relaxed and watched these beautiful colors develop into something beautiful. It's almost finished. I have to do the spitting on this one now. And I gotta say, these colors, they are popping off of this board. It turned out really, really good, really fast. 5.5 minute video for me using a blow dryer is pretty good. I'll have everything I used in my video in the description box listed, all the colors, my pillow paint, my pouring medium, my cell activator. I like to list all of those in my videos so you guys can try these at home. A lot of artists don't list them, and it gets a little frustrating. So I hope I'm helping with some of the frustration, and you guys can learn from it. I appreciate everybody who is following me and subscribing to my channel. Only takes a second for you guys to do. So take a minute and subscribe and give me a thumbs up for the video. I hope it is what you wanted to see. Come back and see what we're going to create next and the color combos. I like exploring all the combos to see what works and what doesn't work. And if it works, you will see it on my channel. So again, thank you for stopping in, taking time out of your day to watch my video. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you. And there she is, all finished. Take care, everybody, and have a great day.